We are here at the Feed Summit at UC Davis, and we are very excited because we are convening a very diverse array of stakeholders, from policymakers to regulators to academicians, NGOs, industry, all joined with one goal, and that goal is to reduce emissions, methane emissions, because when we do reduce emissions, we really affect the climate. Doing what matters, that's what we're here for.
The most important thing is that we really are developing resilient systems to feed the world. And we know that the population is growing and that the demand for meat will grow with it. So when we think about those sustainable systems, we know that they need to be inclusive of social sustainability, economic sustainability, and then environmental sustainability.
I think Enteric methane is one of the biggest greenhouse gas emission category in many developing countries. And we see that by addressing methane, countries can really reduce their carbon footprint. And therefore, we are helping many countries to identify mainly how to account for emissions and how to identify the key mitigation options that are in line with their development objectives.
There's a lot of things that can happen on a dairy farm, but there's also a lot that has to go into it. You need to make sure it's safe for the animal, safe for the consumer, profitable for the farm, and it's got to work on so many levels. Education is a big portion of this that's really important. The more I go out and I talk to farmers, the more I realize there's big knowledge gaps, not just for the consumer to understand what's going on at the farm level. Another large gap is for farmers to understand what's going on in this carbon space, and they're not seeing where this benefit could lie for them, where they could profit off this.
That dynamic between economic, environmental, and social sustainability is what's so exciting and what is really going to shape the food system moving forward.